Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. I want to show you guys something that I am very excited about. I cook at home almost every single day. I have people that come over, and a lot of times I'm in a rush to get things prepared. I found this pasta cooker here just recently. I wanted to show you guys exactly what you get. Now, this thing is really nice because it comes with a built-in strainer. You get a really deep container here for your pasta. So basically the way this works is you're going to fill this with water based on the amount of pasta that you're going to put inside of it. So I could grab like 2 servings of pasta as you guys see here, drop those in. I'd fill this up with water, then just throw this guy into the microwave. Once it's all said and done, everything is ready. I can then put this lid back on like so, drain the pasta, and then I can flip this over and this becomes an easy way of serving the pasta as well. So I think this is a brilliant idea for people like myself that are on the go, cooking fast, running the house, want to be able to make a quick meal. This could be ideal. All right, so definitely take a look at this little pasta maker. I think you guys will be really satisfied with it. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome at Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.